Hello students, in our previous video lecture, we learnt result 1, 2 and 3. Now here we are going to learn result 4 and 5. Result 4 says that Laplace transform of cos hat is equal to s by s square minus a square. Now we shall prove this result. This result will be proved with the concept of hyperbolic functions which we have learnt in our previous semester. Now by using the hyperbolic function, we will be replacing cos hat in terms of exponential function, and then we will be applying the Laplace transform for that. So using the concept of hyperbolic functions, we know that the value of cos hat is equal to e to the power at plus e to the power negative at divided by 2. So this concept we have learnt in our previous semester. So cos hat is equal to e power at plus e power negative at divided by 2. Now here instead of cos hat, we will be replacing it by this value. So therefore we obtain the Laplace transform of cos hat to be equal to L of, so instead of cos hat, we will replace it by this. So we will have e to the power at plus e to the power negative at divided by 2. This 1 by 2 is a constant. So by using the scalar property, it can be taken out. So that is equal to 1 by 2. And then by applying the linearity property, this Laplace transform can be taken within the bracket, and it can be separated between these two terms as we have a positive sign here. So it will become Laplace transform of this first term. So e to the power at plus the Laplace transform of the second term. So e to the power negative at. And that is equal to, previously from result 2, we have obtained that Laplace transform of e to the power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. So we shall substitute this. So L of e to the power at will be 1 by s minus a. So we obtain 1 by 2 multiplied with 1 by s minus a plus. And what is e to the power minus at that we have obtained in our result 3? Here we have Laplace transform of e to the power minus at is equal to 1 by s plus a. And so we will be having 1 divided by s plus a over here. So now we will take the LCM. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with. So when we take the LCM, we will obtain in the denominator s minus a multiplied with s plus a. And so this s plus a will be multiplied with this 1. So we will have s plus a, and this s minus a will be multiplied with 1, and so we have plus s minus a. And so plus a and minus a gets cancelled, and we get this to be equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with s plus s will give us 2s divided by, and here we will be using the formula a squared minus b squared, which is a plus a multiplied with a minus b. Okay, so that formula when we apply, here we have s minus a multiplied with s plus a, and so the formula will be like s squared minus a square. So by using that algebraic formula, we can replace it by s squared minus a squared, and this 2 gets cancelled, and finally we obtain this to be equal to s divided by s squared minus a square. And so therefore we have obtained Laplace transform of cos hat to be equal to s divided by s squared minus a square. So this is the solution. So therefore we have obtained the result 4. In a similar way, we have to obtain result 5. So let us see that now. So now here we have result 5, which is L of sin hat is equal to a divided by s square minus a square. Previously we saw the result for cos hat and it was s divided by s squared minus a square. Now here we have sin h at. So we have the result to be a divided by s squared minus a square. So let us prove this. So in order to prove this, we have to take the hyperbolic function for sin h at, and that is equal to e to the power at minus e to the power minus at divided by 2. So this formula we have learnt in our previous semester. So we are using this formula over here. So the Laplace transform of sin h at will be equal to L of, now instead of sin h at we will be replacing by this term, and that is what we have done here. And then by using the scalar property, 1 by 2 can be taken out, and using the linearity property, this Laplace transform can be taken to each term within the bracket. So we have done that. Then we have applied the formula for L of e power at, which is 1 by s minus a, and L of e power negative at, which is 1 by s plus a. And then we take the LCM and we cross multiply this. So s plus a minus of s minus a we will have. So it will be minus s, minus into minus plus a. And plus s and minus s will get cancelled, and we will get a plus a as 2a. And this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and finally we get the answer to be a by s square minus a square. So this is the Laplace transform of sin h at. So hope you have understood both the results. So result 4 and 5 on hyperbolic function. Next we will learn result 6 and 7, where we will be finding the Laplace transform of sin at and the Laplace transform of cos at. Thank you.